Hi, my name is Tracy Kiss and I am here from the UK in Cosmedica. I first came 3 years ago for my hair transplant and eyebrow transplant surgery. This is something that not a lot of women ever discussed, hair loss. We will spend so much money on hair extensions and shampoos and creams, ways to kind of hide what is going wrong, the symptoms that we face and the embarrassment that we feel. Having a hair transplant surgery absolutely changed my life. The Cosmedica family are incredible. The whole team are so caring, so professional, experienced and helpful. From leaving the UK to touching down in Turkey, everything was taken care of. From the moment that I landed, everything was arranged. I had no worries or stress at all. Being here at Cosmedica, I feel in such safe hands. It's so modern, so fresh, so clean, and it meant that I had the confidence to return for aesthetics and dentistry also. When we have things that impact our quality of life, we retract away from life. We stop doing the things that we love. And actually, before we know it, we're unrecognizable. We lose our confidence, we lose our glow. Again, this is something as a biohacker that's so important to me. We shouldn't wait for something to go wrong, to be aged or to cause us pain and suffering. Actually, we can have it taken care of way before we have any symptoms. I am so thrilled with my results. My recovery has been wonderful, the team have been excellent, and I could not wish for better care. So please always consider putting your health and well-being first and nurturing natural beauty. We are all born to be individuals, to look like ourselves and to live our very best life. And personally for me with aesthetics, I want to look like the most young and healthy and glowing version of myself, not to look like a different person. So you don't have to have plastic surgery to look like somebody you're not. You can nurture natural beauty at every turn, and Cosmedica is the place to come for that. I highly recommend them.